Hello, this is the Baby Lord and welcome to another Minecraft Let's Play video. Today I will gonna play survival and this is my first Let's Play in my YouTube channel. Let's start. This is taking so long. Why it is so long? This is wasting my time. Where is it? This is it. Today I will start from cutting some trees. Then I will make some crafting tables. Oh, I've dropped my wood. I will gonna first make a axe so I can cut tree faster. Or is it? This is faster now. Only for now. Another one. I will need lots of tree to cut. I will need lots of wood to make my house. And I need some sand too. I don't have sand. This is the last one I will cut. Then I will make my house. I will make my house now. This is looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, that is wrong. This is where it's supposed to be. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it all for now. Then I will make my house. I will not make it too beautiful. Just like this is okay for now. more woods. And I need some glass too. I need how much glass I need. I'm counting, guys. I need 20 glass. What? It is not tasting. What the heck, man? You are wasting my woods. What? There we go. Another one. Then I will gonna place my crop wall in here to make door. I will gonna place it like this so the mobs can't go in my house. I will find some sand to get my glasses. Oh, it's only 2%. Oh, what the heck, man? This is not enough. I will gonna go back in my house. Wait, I see some shit. I need this wool to make my bed. I need this wool to make some colorful beds. What bed I will make? I think color white maybe. Then I will gonna change it into blue. I don't want. No, I will gonna make a yellow bed. I need to get in my house. Okay guys, that is it all for now. If you want to see more video like this, just leave a like in the description and subscribe to my channel. I will gonna fix some of this out in the video. That is it. That is it all for now. Just leave like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more video like this.